Hi everyone, welcome to Livingston Bridal and Events. We're located here at 1680 Calle de Alvarez in Mesilla. We're the only full-service bridal boutique in southern New Mexico. We offer wedding coordinating, alterations, invitations, and decor rentals, as well as selling bridal gowns, bridesmaids dresses, and menswear. Here in our bridal showroom, we have hundreds of different styles to try on. We do offer our gowns for purchase right off the rack, as well as reorders if we need different sizes or different colors. Our main designers that we carry are Allure, Romance and Wilderly collections, and also Jasmine Bridal. We do also offer in-house alterations on all of our bridal gowns and bridesmaids dresses, and also gowns that were not purchased here. For your booked appointment, whether it was requested online or made by phone, you and your party will have access to our full bridal showroom to choose your gown options to take to our try-on area. Our team is committed to giving you and your party a unique and personal experience here at Livingston Bridal and Events.